Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Life Play Digital. So today I'm again sharing another Stitch Fix box that I just received, and I'm very curious to see what's in it because it's definitely a much bigger box than usual. So if you remember the last time, I shared some tips about how to make your Stitch Fix better or get better clothes that you would want to keep. And one of the things that I was sure to do was to fill out some of the swiper looks to see, like, when it asks you if you like a look that it shows you in your profile. And also notice a pair of shoes that I liked that were high heels but not too high, because I was looking for some that are a little lower but not too low, kind of in that mid-range. So let's see what was sent from the stylist. Oh, I see. There's some poofy stuff here. Let's see. Ooh! Something fell out already. Let's see what this is. Obviously a sweater. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this. You'll probably see it better when I try it on, but so it's like a sweater. It's not cardigan-like, it's a full like pullover, but I like the bat wing, I think they call it, sleeves here. And it's like a turtleneck kind. A little button, some cute little, and then it folds over and can unbutton also, it looks like. Here. I like that kind of detail. It's like a cable knit kind of a look. And a nice olive, forest green, whatever you prefer. So, and I needed a couple of sweaters like this, or a sweater at least. I don't have any. And next, another, it's like sweater, but a lightweight one. And again, the bat wing. Oh, I really like these kind of tops too. So, but this lighter weight one is good. I like the color too. It's very muted, but like it's a pinky purple. It's good. And oh, like 2 pairs of pants. Oh, neat. Oh, no. Sorry, this is not pants. Oh, cool. It's a jacket. Actually, that's great because I did like mark a few jackets that I liked on the style, not profile, but within your profile. Where there's like areas to mark and to look through things, and this is similar to one of the jackets that I really liked. So we'll try this on. I like how it matches the purple shirt too. And then another pair of jeans. And as always, I do have a lot of jeans, but I guess you can never have enough. And these look like they're a little lower waist, which I do like, a mid to low waist. So we'll try these because they look really cute, for sure. And they have a little already cuffed, except it's uneven. I guess it comes undone. Okay, we're good. All right, wait, there was one more thing in here though. One or more. What is this? It's a nice bag that it's in. Oh. Shoes, of course, because I did mark a pair of heels. They weren't exactly like this, but they were brown, and I think they had leopard print more here, but these are brown with like a snake skin back part and a nice like height heel that I was looking for that's not too high, not too low, and I don't have any brown heels, so as long as these fit okay and feel nice wearing them, they may be keepers. Which would be a first from my Stitch Fixes, because I've actually never kept any of the shoes they've sent. So we'll see how these work out. And what a nice bag it came in too. Okay, what else is in here? Right, the return bag, if necessary. And a little promotional thing it looks like. Explore your very own shop. So like last time I talked about Shop the Look, it's kind of like what they set up with the things that you've gotten and items that they have that would look good with those things that you can purchase. And then I kind of like these. These are neat, but not honestly really use them, but it helps, I guess, sometimes. They're like style cards. So they detach here. Oops. Sorry if I can detach them right. Here. They'll detach separately if you want. And also it has like a little bit of a personal message, right? I don't know if you guys can see it here, but I'll read a little bit of it to you. It says, "Your style delivered. Hey there, Jenny. Welcome to your Stitch Fix. I see you've had a lot of success with your stylist," which I have, Anna, "but she is no longer with us." Oh, that's too bad. "So your fix came to me." Who's me? "It looks like I have some big shoes to fill. Thanks for including your Fix inspiration board." So, like I said, I had done a few things on my style profile to add some insight for them. Oh, I lost my place. Okay. "I saw quite a few asymmetrical jackets pinned, so I grabbed the fabulous Liverpool jacket for you to try. It will be a great second layer for your chillier California days and nights," which we do have those. Rock the 1822 denim jeans cut off with the trendy design history pullover and stylish Isaac the heels, whatever that they sent that I was just showing you. "I wasn't able to find a pair similar to the cheetah print pair that you pinned, so I thought a snakeskin with suede heels would be a fantastic alternative." So that's cool. They noticed that it was a cheetah print that I pinned, but they were able to find exactly those, so they sent some that were similar. Lastly, the Jolie top paired with jeans and booties or flats will be your go-to casual but hip outfit for this time of year. Enjoy your fix, Jenny. XO Molly. So I guess Molly's my new stylist. Cool. Nice to know. Okay, well, let's see how Molly did and try all this stuff on and see how it works and if we want to keep it.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy, nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby. I just wanna party all night long. I do it all for fun. Don't need your love. I'm a sinner, let my lover
Okay, well, yeah, I liked all of everything in the shipment, as you can tell. So the jacket I liked a lot because it's one, it's just, you can just kind of feel it's really well made. It's not too light, but the denim, it's a stretch denim also, and it's kind of nice for denim jackets that are a little more fitted, because I have some other ones that are not stretch denim and they're a little restrictive when you wear them or move around in them. So it's nice, and I like the color, the purple or the plum color with it. It's different, so that's always nice too. And it goes well, of course, with the top, or the light sweater top, which I liked both sweaters. They, one light and one's a little heavier, but even the heavier one is, as you could see, it was like a shorter sleeve, so that's good for where I live, considering it doesn't get too chilly, just a little bit. And the jeans I liked because of the waist, it's not too high, it's mid, but actually almost a little bit like lower waist, which I prefer, so that was good. And I needed a pair of darker jeans too, so again, good. And the shoes, so this is the first pair of shoes that Stitch Fix has sent that I liked or were comfortable, actually. So these actually worked out very well because I needed some brown colored shoes, because when I looked, I didn't have any. And I like the difference of the suede and the snakeskin on it, and the heel height, best of all. So a little bit of a heel, but not too high, not too low. So, and closed toed. I needed a few of those. I don't have a lot of those for some reason. So yeah, I like the whole shipment. I'll be keeping all of that. So yeah, needless to say that my new stylist, Molly, did quite well with this Stitch Fix shipment. Once again, I won't be needing that return bag. And okay, well everyone, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel and would like to, be sure to hit the subscription button below, along with the notification bell next to it, so that you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, let me know which item was your favorite out of this shipment. That'd be great to hear from you. Alright, well, that's it, and I hope you all have an awesome day or night whenever you're watching this, and we'll see you next time. Alright, bye!
Playing that song